Are you really a farmer if you don't have 5-gallon buckets or 55-gallon barrels sitting around? Darle Baker of Ohio City, Ohio found a nifty way to put them to work, holding everything from brooms and brushes to shovels, post hole diggers, and sledgehammers. Using a hole saw, Darle cut holes at intervals around the top of the buckets and barrels. And then he added his secret ingredient, sand. 3 inches of sand in the bottom of the containers helps stabilize the handles and keeps everything upright. I'm Dave Mowitz with Successful Farming. Let's clean up that cluttered corner in your shop and build this one together. When recreating Darle's story track, I used 3 diameters of hole saws to create the holes we needed. For the 55-gallon barrel, I cut several 4-inch holes, which are large enough to accommodate items like, well, post hole diggers. The other holes in the barrel were cut using 3-inch diameter hole saw. These spaces work well for things like sledgehammers and pickaxes. Now in the bucket, I made 2.5-inch holes. Broom and brush handles fit nicely there. If you're ready to hack your farm shop, give us a follow and discover more shop hacks like this at agriculture.com/shophacks.